Safely thawing crab legs, the do's and don'ts.
Hello, seafood enthusiasts. Today, we are going to explore the best and safest way to thaw crab legs for cooking. Thawing crab legs properly is essential not only for the sake of taste and texture, but also for food safety. Remember, the correct handling of seafood can help prevent foodborne illnesses.
Why is proper thawing important?
Proper thawing of crab legs is essential to maintain their fresh flavor and to ensure that they cook evenly. If not thawed properly, crab legs may cook unevenly, leading to a disappointing meal. Moreover, incorrect thawing can also lead to bacterial growth, which can cause foodborne illnesses.
What is the best way to thaw crab legs?
The best and safest method to thaw crab legs is to use your refrigerator. This method maintains a safe temperature throughout the thawing process, which helps prevent bacterial growth. Here are the steps to do it. 1. Place the crab legs in a large bowl or on a plate to catch any drips. 2. Place them in the refrigerator. 3. Allow them to thaw overnight or for at least 8 to 12 hours. Do not try to speed up the thawing process by leaving the crab legs at room temperature, as this can lead to bacterial growth.
What if I need to thaw crab legs quickly?
In case you're in a rush and need to thaw crab legs more quickly, you can use the cold water thawing method. Here's how to do it. 1. Place the crab legs in a large, leak-proof plastic bag. 2. Submerge the bag in cold tap water. 3. Change the water every 30 minutes until the crab legs are thawed. This method usually takes about 2 to 3 hours. It's important to cook the crab legs immediately after they're thawed using this method to ensure food safety. And there you have it. Now you know how to properly and safely thaw crab legs for your next seafood feast. Remember, maintaining the right temperature during the thawing process is key to preventing bacterial growth. Whether you choose to thaw your crab legs in the refrigerator or use the cold water method, make sure you follow these steps closely. Enjoy your cooking!